Launching a new product for your home-based business is an exciting endeavor that requires careful planning and execution. A well-thought-out product launch strategy can make a significant difference in the success of your venture. In this video, we'll explore essential steps to help you create a solid product launch strategy for your home-based business. The first crucial step is to identify your target audience. Understanding who your potential customers are allows you to tailor your messaging and marketing efforts to resonate with them effectively. Conduct thorough research to determine their preferences, behaviors, and pain points, enabling you to craft a strategy that speaks directly to their needs. Once you've identified your target audience, the next step is to set clear goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, and aligned with your overall business objectives. Whether it's achieving a certain number of sales, gaining a specific market share, or increasing brand awareness, having well-defined goals provides a roadmap for your product launch. Developing a timeline is equally important. Set a launch date and work backward to create a timeline that ensures all necessary tasks are completed on time. This includes product development, marketing materials creation, and any other components essential for a successful launch. A well-structured timeline helps in avoiding last-minute rushes and ensures a smooth launch process. Building buzz before the launch date is a key aspect of a successful product launch strategy. Start generating excitement by sharing teasers, behind-the-scenes content, and sneak peeks on social media platforms and through email marketing. Engaging your audience beforehand creates anticipation and sets the stage for a successful launch. Leveraging your existing network is another effective strategy. Reach out to your current customers, friends, and family members, and ask for their support in spreading the word about your upcoming product launch. Word of mouth can be a powerful tool, and the support of your network can significantly impact the success of your launch. Offering incentives is a great way to encourage early adopters. Consider providing pre-launch discounts, exclusive content, or other incentives to entice potential customers to make a purchase. This not only boosts initial sales but also creates a sense of exclusivity and urgency around your product. In conclusion, by following these steps, identifying your target audience, setting clear goals, developing a timeline, building buzz, leveraging your network, and offering incentives, you can create a solid product launch strategy for your home-based business. Remember to save this information for future reference, and best of luck with your product launch. For more tips and freebies, go to billycolbertusa.com.